Hey everyone, welcome back to our Crypto Pearls. Nodepay is a decentralized network that rewards you for contributing your internet resources to AI. Nodepay is the network infrastructure that provides decentralized bandwidth for AI training. By connecting to the Nodepay network, you will be able to sell your unused internet to AI companies, enabling the efficient transfer of. Nodepay is revolutionizing AI with its development of a decentralized physical infrastructure network, DePIN. Log into your Nodepay dashboard and click on Connect to download the Nodepay extension on your Chrome browser. Follow at Nodepay_AI on X and find free points before they're gone. Also, share your referral link with friends to earn plus 100 points for each invitation. Nodepay Airdrop Checker updated. Verify rewards for Seasons 0, 1, and 2. The Nodepay Airdrop Checker is officially live, now updated to include allocations for Seasons 0, 1, and 2. This development allows participants to review their rewards as part of Nodepay's effort to distribute its NC tokens to the global community. Nodepay, a decentralized and AI-driven platform, aims to empower individuals worldwide to participate in and benefit from shaping the future of AI. With a capped total supply of 1 billion NC tokens, this initiative stands as one of the most widely distributed Solana airdrops in history. Participants who contributed during Seasons 0, 1, and 2 can now check their token allocations directly through the Nodepay Airdrop Checker. Those who joined during Season 2 needed to complete specific requirements, including earning the Proof of Humanity medal and connecting their Solana wallets. Nodepay has confirmed its listing timeline, with January 14, 2025, marking the official Nodepay new listing date. Deposit open now. Trading begins January 14, 2025, at 1300 hours UTC. Withdrawal available from January 15, 2025, at 1300 hours UTC. The token's debut will occur on major exchanges, including MEXC, Biget, and more. The Nodepay listing price prediction remains speculative, but strong community interest suggests potential for significant momentum. Early adopters participating in the airdrop will receive their allocations before the trading launch, ensuring a smooth start to Nodepay pre-market price activity in the innovation zone. With the token generation event, TGE, synchronized with the launch, Nodepay aims to maximize its market impact. The Nodepay token price is anticipated to gain traction as it becomes available for trading, with community-driven demand fueling Nodepay pre-market price speculation. At Nodepay, we've built a living ecosystem fueled by unused bandwidth, real-time data retrieval, user-owned AI innovation, and rewards that flow back to the contributors. Picture a global AI network constantly learning and evolving, all powered by our community. Every node, every token holder matters. Together, we're redefining how AI learns, evolves, and rewards the people behind it. Own the future of AI. PS Mark your calendars. 14th January, 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated, the Nodepay revolution begins. The Nodepay airdrop is expected to happen in December 2024, with the exact date still under wraps. Superscript 1 to participate. You'll need to connect your Solana wallet to the Nodepay platform before December 1, 2024. Token distribution, _1.5 billion NP tokens will be distributed, with 50% reserved for early community members. Eligibility criteria: users must connect their Solana wallet, contribute to the network, and use referral codes to increase their chances. Superscript 2. The Nodepay team is working on exciting developments, including the Nodepay extension for better user experience and integrating real-time data technologies. With support from top investors and a growing global presence, Nodepay is set to make a significant impact in the decentralized AI ecosystem. Stay updated with the latest news and developments on Nodepay's official website, social media, and blog to make the most of this opportunity. Nodepay Airdrop has sparked excitement in the crypto world. This new token aims to build a decentralized AI ecosystem using blockchain technology. Many people want to know about its price and potential value. You can join the Nodepay airdrop by visiting their official website and following some simple steps. The project is now in its second season, with more tokens being given out to users. Keep an eye on updates from Nodepay to make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity in the AI and blockchain space. Begin your claim by navigating to the official Airdrop Rewards page. This is your gateway to all active airdrop events. Simply log in by connecting your wallet directly from your mobile device for seamless access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CryptoPro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.